Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little bit of a yarn haul. I couldn't resist. Paintbox yarns from Love Crochet, Love Crafts had a sale the other day. There's a link in the description below on where I got these yarns, so please follow that link and see if there's any goodies that jump into your cart. I am an affiliate, so I will get a kickback if you happen to make a purchase, but if you don't, that's cool too. Okay, so what happened was I wanted more colors and I wanted to try one of the cottons, and I didn't know the balls were going to be this tiny, but there's a pretty good amount of yards in here. There's 93 yards per little ball, and I actually bought, I think, 5 packs. So there was like this pack, this was like one pack here, and I bought 2 of those because I thought these really appealed to me. This light blue and gray and cream set really appealed to me. And then I think there were 2 other 5 packs, and I can't remember which ones or which combination of these 10 yarns were in which pack. Do you know what I mean? So when you're going shopping, just be careful and get the colors you want. But look at these gorgeous colors. So these are the pastels are really pretty, don't get me wrong, but the saturated brights are really nice too. So if you have any suggestions on what I should make with this, if you happen to see the video on my, or maybe it hasn't aired yet, but I was trying to challenge myself to make a sweater without a recipe, sweater without a pattern, crochet sweater without a pattern video. And I thought, I might make this into a sweater because then I could change colors randomly and it could be a total flexible, fun, spontaneous thing without a pattern. But I don't know yet. I haven't decided. So what do you think I should make? What would you make if you had this lovely array of cotton yarns in 93 yards per ball? But I only have 1 of each of these, and then I have 2 of those. So leave me a note in the description below. How would you turn this into a relaxing and valuable use of your time? Is there something you want to learn and you want me to show you in this yarn? Is there something, have you tried these yarns before? What have you made out of it? So that's all for today. Please like and subscribe. Most videos are on Wednesday. Some additional bonus videos are on Saturday, and I will see you in the next video.